Another thing I'm going to talk about how you can do multitask, means that how you can use um, two apps at the same time on the split screen. So for instance, if we go somewhere, if you open the YouTube, and if we can search for instance, if I'm going to search for something, if I open something like that, you close that, and then you open Chrome, and you want to use both these stuff at the same time. If you can see on the search on a history, you click on this thing. If you see that both are here, you push and hold the YouTube first, open in a split screen. If you can see the option here, you click on this thing, and then you click here. If you can see that you have two screens right now. So if I want to watch a video on the bottom, I still can do whatever I want to do on a Google Chrome. Anything, I can search for it. Certain things, if it's not compatible with the split screen, it's going to tell you the error that it's not compatible. Otherwise, it's going to work. If you guys can notice that you have two screen, like a split screen open on the account. So if you trying to search something on a Google something, if you see the blue line in the middle which split the screens, if I want to use Google, if I want to go back, it's going to let me go back. If I want to go on a YouTube to search something on the YouTube, so the blue thing, the line, gonna roll over to the YouTube screen, if you can see it like that, and then you can back off on whatever you want to do with it. Or if you want to rotate the phone, you also can rotate the phone to make the screen even bigger. So that's your Google and that's your YouTube, and you can search whatever you want to search for it. And whenever you want to close down that, simply just go back, just exit out, and that's it. Another thing I want to talk about is called auto restart. It means that it's good for the phone to restart every once a week. It helps to optimize the phone. It helps with the battery. It helps a lot of apps running in the back, even you don't know. It's gonna shut all these apps, and it's also gonna give you long life on your battery on your phone. And how you can do that? Simply just go to your settings, go to your search, and because I already searched for it, if you can see that it's already here, you just type auto restart, you click on it. And the funny thing about it, when you open this, see, you even can schedule that what time the phone should go off or restart it. You can pick the day, you can pick the even time on it. You click on it, you want to do Monday, you want to do Sunday, you want to whatever you want, it's comfortable for you.